I'm one of the tour guides for that. They're a great company. Support them if you can. They're fabulous.
Well guys, René Brown back with you in the city centre for some street photography. Quick shout out to Jan Stephen Merson in the US, who bought me 3 coffees recently using the link buymeacoffee/Brown Media. Much appreciated, brother. Look forward to seeing you in June. So starting off nice and early, it's just 7 AM. It's a dull, overcast and misty day here in Dublin. I hate just walking, just holding the phone in my hand because I look like I'm searching for Pokemon or something stupid like that. But there you go. I do have a little tripod with me, I'll use it later. Why you need to be careful doing street photography. Walk along by the government buildings, literally across the road. I seen a guy with a beautiful dog. I walked up behind and I said, excuse me, do you mind if I pet your dog? And I went to pet it. He goes, oh, willy me fuck off, fuck you. Okay, outside of Donahoo's on Weston Row, famous pub where the Dubliners used to play. I am going to pop in for a minute, have a drink. Could be coffee, could be a Guinness. We'll find out in a minute. Anyhow, this is a place you should definitely visit when you're in Dublin. It's kind of slightly off the beaten track, near Stephen's Green. If you haven't been this way before, definitely pop in for a visit.
I'm doing now, man. Listen, first thing is I work as a tour guide for a great company called Unearthed. They do great tours, UNEARTHED. Look them up. They do free walking tours. They do dark Dublin tours in the evening where we talk about murder and torture and execution, all that fun stuff. I'm one of the tour guides for that. They're a great company. Support them if you can. They're fabulous. Also, I do shows. I do improv shows and improv classes. If you look up StephenBradleyComedy.com, that's where all my comedy stuff is. So go have a look at that.
Pulled my trigger